We got our head here. We got the mouth all done. I put these blocks on here so we can mount our ears, and the block will just keep the ear from sliding on us when we screw it in. I've measured where I wanted to put it, drilled a little pilot hole in there, and we're going to use these 1-inch screws to put this in. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So we're going to glue it. The glue will keep the ear from rotating on you if it gets loose. And the screw will keep it in there from getting knocked off if you bump it. So we're going to put that where we want it. That's where we want that to go. Bring it down a little bit. Then we can take this block off. It didn't go in enough. You can see that right now.